Good evening to all of you. I'm here to speak about a leader. Actually, there are so many leaders in my life which have influenced me. If in my list there are first the man who is perfect, I consider him. That is the Ashok, the great in our past history. After it, I look to Akbar. And in presently, if we talk about present, then the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Ambedkar, and the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or the Manmohan Singh, and one. I am here to speak not about these persons. I will speak about the present one. That is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Actually, he is the person in present in the world who is bearing some good traits and leading the country. The first trait I want to highlight is the orator. He is the good orator and the marketer. Marketer or orator का means ये है कि he is the person जो in every place, in every assembly, he communicate very well or orate the things what he is doing in country repeatedly, not one time. In every lecture, in every assembly, he convinces the people. He make the mood of the people. What is going on in the country. Before this time, you will see that no leader was speaking about this time. What is doing? What are schemes are going on? But Prime Minister Narendra Modi is doing these things. One more things I want to highlight. That is the involvement. He is a person who is involved in his work. I was listening or watching his interview, not interview. You know, the Paralympic medalist. They were invited by him, or one paramedic gold medalist was asking him, you know, every person, you know the name of every person, and what are the games associated with the players, and you are involved in every international affairs, or how many other things in your daily activities, and you are remembering everything, how it is possible. Then Prime Minister Narendra Modi answered it that this is possible only due to my involvement with every activities personally. I don't need to remember the things because I am associated with it. I am deeply involved in it. So this is the quality which make him better than any other person. One more thing, he is a visionary. Everyone know he is a good vision and have set the goals in futures, leading the world also. Or one more thing, he is very proactive in action. Proactive in actions you can see in the light of COVID-19, or you can see the attacks, or in the light of Kashmir, in the light of Pakistan's terrorism case. So he is very proactive, take the decision in right time, right decision. Or one more thing, I am really influenced, that is the learning ability of that person. He is about 70 years, but he is quite learning the things and his daily routine work, you know, it is quite impressive. So this is a good leader quality and good persons, I hope, and so I am following him also. Thank you very much.